channel. Today we are going to sew a head wrap, and you can also use it as a sleeping cap. So I cannot wait. I'm so excited. This will be my first time sewing a bonnet, a sleeping cap. So I'm going to use satin on the other side, and on this other side I'm going to use African material. I want it to be two-sided. So I want my bonnet to be 10 inches. So I'm going to take my ruler and I'll calculate to 10. Take your fabric and fold it into 4. Then round-wise you are going to make 10. So it should be a round of 10. Mind you, we have already folded the fabric into 4. But we now want to make it round. So I have added both the African fabric and the satin. So I'll cut it to make it the way we want it to be. If you can see here, I'm cutting in a round manner. At the end of the day, I'm going to have 2 pieces, 10 satin and around 10 African material. Yeah, done cutting. So these are the 2 pieces that I now have. Yeah, apart from that, I'm not gonna use elastic. Instead, I'm going to use a round wrap. I'm going to sew it round, but it's going to be two-sided as well. Remember, we want the other side to be satin. Remember, we want the other side to be satin and the other side to be African material. The round rope is going to have 2 sides as well, and I will need to have a cut somewhere here. At least 5 inches is fine for me. So it's going to be 5 inches by 5 inches. Yeah, and then I'm going to sew round. Once I sew round, and then I'm going to cut this piece and I will turn it around. Let's do that now. I have my machine here. All I want to do is to sew the 5 inches down and the other 5 inches as well. So let's do it. Make sure to backstitch. Put down your needle and then just turn around. Yeah, just turn around and do the other side. Okay, once we are done doing that, we are going to cut. We'll put our sewing machine aside. Don't forget to turn it off. I'm going to cut here where I've stitched so that we should make a gap. You remember we saw this side? Yeah. I'll cut it so that we should make a gap. Like that. We have a gap. But don't forget to notch. You have to notch so that when you turn around, it should be fine. So we are going to notch this side as well. After that, we are going to turn it around. Okay, let me remove the pins. Okay, we are going to turn it around. This is going to be at the back where we have made a gap. It's going to be at the back, you see here. So now I have to cut the lobe that is going to go around. I have to cut it. So I measured my head. My head is 21, so I'll cut 22. We are going to use the 1 inch as seam allowance. Once we are done, we are good to go, so that we should finish our bonnet. Yeah, so this is what we have. Make sure the round is fine. Yeah, so this is what we have so far. So I'm going to cut what should go round. Here I cut the string. I cut 85 inches. So the fabric is 85. The satin is also 85. Remember, we want our bonnet to be two-sided. So I would like the satin side to have this and the fabric side to have this. So I'm going to sandwich it together and I'll stitch through so that it should look like it's one. And then when I'm done, I'm going to turn it upside down. So let's sew it. I'll bring back my sewing machine. So I will lay it down. I will leave half inch seam allowance. So we are going to sew. I'm done sewing it. As you can see, I turned it around and I also sew half inch here. So as you can see, it's done. I'm done now. I need to attach it to the bonnet, but I just left a space here where I need to put it to the bonnet. I just thought it wise that it's going to be much easier for me that way, but I've closed this other part and this other part. I've closed it, so I'm only remaining with this part. The part I measured 21 inches. So now let's put the bonnet inside. This is our bonnet, so I'll just have to put it inside here and then I'll show you, then we can sew it. I'm now done putting it inside. As you can see, it's now looking like a bonnet as it should. So now I want just to stitch through so that we see our final bonnet. I'm going to sew around now so that we should finish our project, and then we'll see how the final bonnet looks like. Okay, remember we are sewing a double-sided bonnet. So as you are sewing, you have to take out the pins that you put. Yes, girl, almost done. done, don't forget to back stitch. Okay. Let's see what we have now. Put away your machine. Turn it off. So this is our final bonnet. I'm going to wear it so that we see how it fits. You see here at the end where I did that gap, and this is the other side of the bonnet. So we can actually wear it both sides, but I'm going to wear it both sides so that you can see how it looks like. You can choose to wear it the satin side or the African print side. Let me just show you how it looks like when I wear it. Now I'm ready to show you our final look on our bonnet. This is the first way I'm showing you how to wear. This is the satin part. Yeah, so this is the satin part. You can wear it as a satin on the satin side. So this is what we made. I'll show you on the other side as well. I'm showing you the other side, how you can wear it. This is the other side. So yeah, you can choose to wear it either way, but like I was saying, that at this fabric side, you can actually wear it when you're going out as well. See how beautiful it looks. Yeah, when you're going out and you put your hair inside. But yeah, if you don't want the ribbon here, you can actually just put it the other side. It will still be fine. Yeah, and this is our sleeping cap. Remember, wash your face. Don't sleep with your makeup on. Okay, I'm just doing an example. I don't need to wash my face now, but obviously when I'm going to sleep, I have to wash my face. For being with me on this sewing journey. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos so that you should also be the first one to watch my videos when I upload. Bye.